If you're looking for a home replacement for a cable machine, you want that lengthened resistance. Resistance bands are a great option. And if you want to find places to attach them at different levels, different heights, you can use a column that has lots of space around it in your house, or those big eye hooks, those eye screws that you can put into the wall. But if you don't have or want those things, you can use a door anchor. It has a stopper on one side, a loop on the other, and a flat piece in between to not warp the door. If you don't want to go out and find that, or can't find it for whatever reason, you can use an old tie or something that's a material about this long, that's nice and strong, but also thin. We're going to put a loop on one end when you fold it in half. Make sure that loop is big enough that you can put the end of a band through it, a handle, that type of thing. And another option for that is going to be a loop on one end and then a knot on the other end. This knot wants to be close to the end, but not so close that it's going to slip right off. Then you've got a nice flat part in between. This one is for the top of the door, where this flat part will lie on top of the door, and you've got a stopper on either side and a nice loop. The other one is for going through the hinge spaces. When you open the door toward you, you feed this through the space. Then you go to the other side of the door with your band, pull the door toward you, latch it nice and tightly so that you don't end up as a YouTube fail, and make sure it's quite securely latched, if not locked. And then you have a loop on the other side that you can attach your bands to, and you can put that anywhere at any height of the door.